Hey everybody, Adam with Front Range Storm Contractors here. Out on the job site today doing a build, and I just want to show you real quick how to install the underlayment when it is less than a 4/12 pitch. So that's a run of 4 with a rise, hold on, rise of 12, 4 of 12? Yeah, it's a rise of 4 with a run of 12 inches. So every foot that you measure horizontally on the roof, if it goes up less than 4 inches, then you have to do a special installation. Now actually, if it's less than 2 inches on that run, you can't use shingles. You have to use a different material. But if it's between 2 and 4, you just install the underlayment a little differently. So let me turn the camera around here. All right, so we use Atlas shingles. We're not shingling this face yet, so it's kind of a staging area. So, you know, you can see it's not quite prepped yet. We got loose nails and stuff like that. All kind, some more nails there. But like I said, we're just using this as a staging area, so we'll get that all cleaned up before we install the shingles. However, the underlayment is installed already. We use the synthetic underlayment, and always use that synthetic underlayment. Check out my other videos for why the synthetic underlayment is much better than old style felt, paper felt. So what you do is you need a double layer of the underlayment paper here, okay? So you've got 2 layers there, and what you do, and each layer is 4 feet wide, okay? So you just have 1 full layer, or 2 full layers, I should say. 2 full layers, 1 there, and 1 there, for the full 4 feet. And then you come back and you overlap it halfway, so that's roughly 2 feet. It's actually like 19 inches from this line to that line. But the underlayment that we use comes pre-printed with markings on there, which makes it so nice, right? So you just put that second layer right on the dotted line there, and it's based so that now from here to here, it's actually 3 layers deep, which is fine. But all the rest of the way up, it's 2 layers deep because you've got half of it overlapped instead of just the normal. Normally, your overlap is just going to be this right here, just this 4 inches, right? But if you're doing a pitch that's between 2/12 and 4/12, then you're going to overlap it the entire half width. So that's what you do. Thanks for watching, everyone.